Welcome to the magical world of skincare, where science and nature meets beauty for an exceptional cosmeceutical performance. I am Monica Bhatt, Oriflame India's makeup and beauty training manager. And today we are diving deep into the science of skincare because your skin deserves all the love and knowledge. Our skin, it's a complex masterpiece. Crafting a skincare routine that truly works means understanding its unique structure and needs. We are talking about bioactivating technologies, some of which are unique to Oriflame, which means that they are patented and not available in the market. Now let's talk straight about No Age Plus, a revolution in anti-aging skincare, backed by over 55 years of Oriflame skincare expertise and a team of 100+ scientists. No Age Plus is packed with 11 bioactivating technologies, including 4 patented technologies which are unique to Oriflame, which means that they are patented to Oriflame and not available in the market. This range features a distinctive combination of powerful technologies such as BioLumilock, which is gentler than kojic acid, BioAsparato-Lift, which delivers retinol-like performance on skin but gentler, BioRebarrier technology, which is more effective than niacinamide, and Oripeptide 3, which boosts collagen production faster than vitamin C. And guess what? No Age Plus is a 4-step skincare routine which gives visible results in just 2 weeks. Cleansing, treating your eyes, boosting, and moisturizing. Each step works together to promote your skin well-being. Step 1. Cleanse with No Age Plus Refresh Gel Cleanser, a crucial step to prep your skin for what's to come. It is an important step to clean and free your skin from dirt, dust, excess oil, pollution, and makeup as well. As per consumer testing, 89% of the customers agreed skin feels refreshed and purified instantly. Step 2. Let's talk eyes. All No Age Plus eye cream target dark circles, puffiness, signs of fatigue with Eye Vital bioactivating technology and boost eye contour microcirculation with Arabian jasmine and hawthorn extracts. Plus, it contains BioLumilock and BioAsparato-Lift technologies which are unique to Oriflame, which means patented formulations, and result in radiance and moisture restorations and shea butter for extra protection against dryness. As per consumer testings, 96% experienced brighter under eye in just 2 weeks. With options for wrinkles, lifting, and brightening, find the perfect solution for your eye concerns. Step 3. Time to boost. No Age Plus serums are here to cater your specific needs. Crafted with bioactivating technology Oripeptide 3, which is unique to Oriflame and is patented, boost collagen production faster than vitamin C. As per consumer testing, 96% agreed skin firmness and elasticity feels improved in just 6 weeks. Say hello to collagen growth and goodbye to fine lines. Step 4. Let's focus on moisturization. Our day cream and night cream work together to lock in magic, targeting 10 signs of aging. Dryness and roughness are a thing of the past. Plus, our day cream goes the extra mile, working more effectively than niacinamide. As per consumer testing, 96% agreed skin texture feels instantly improved. In our day and night cream, we have 2 textures, light and rich, which gets easily absorbed into the skin. And you know the best part? Sticking to this routine twice a day can deliver results that are at least 7 times better. Once used, you would call it a skin care game changer. Let's take a deeper dive into the world of No Age Plus sets. Trust me, you will want to hear all about these beauty wonders. First up, we have the Lift Plus Firm routine with 8 bioactivating technologies, out of which 3 technologies, BioAsparato-Lift, BioRebarrier, and Oripeptide 3 are patented, unique to Oriflame, ideal for a more lifted and youthful looking skin. As per consumer testing, up to 93% experienced improved firmness, elasticity, and redefined face contours. Now, the Bright Intense routine, which has 8 bioactivating technologies, including the patented and unique to Oriflame's BioLumilock, BioRebarrier, and Oripeptide 3. It is the ultimate solution for those looking to bid farewell to hyperpigmentation, dullness, and uneven skin tone. With consistent use, you can achieve up to 50% more radiant skin in just 2 weeks. This is a set that not only controls melanin production but also unveils clear signs of skin brightening from the very first use. Talk about a radiant transformation. Next up, we have the Wrinkle Smooth Routine, which has 8 bioactivating technologies, including BioRebarrier and Oripeptide 3, which are patented and unique to Oriflame. Dreaming of significantly reducing the appearance of wrinkles in just 2 weeks? Well, this routine is for you. It improves your skin firmness and elasticity while saying goodbye to deep lines and wrinkles, for you to embrace smoother and younger looking skin. And then we have Blemish Plus Age Defy Routine. This range has 9 bioactivating technologies consisting of BioRebarrier, Oripeptide 3, which are patented and therefore unique to Oriflame. Imagine reduced spots, blackheads, breakouts, and pore size all in just 2 weeks. This routine is your secret weapon for clearer, stronger, and downright fabulous skin. Oftentimes, people don't even know what their skin need is. This is why we have made finding your perfect skincare routine easier than ever with our digital skin diagnosis tool, available on website or via QR code in our catalog. Just answer a few simple questions and voila, your No Age Plus routine recommendations are ready to go. So there you have it, the No Age Plus sets, each designed to cater your specific skin concerns. Whether it's a list, a brightening boost, a wrinkle smoothing magic, or blemish-free perfection, No Age Plus has got your back. It's not just skincare, it's a powerful, faster, yet gentler cosmeceutical skincare experience that speaks unique beauty. That is you. Follow us on Instagram and YouTube for our amazing offers and exclusive products that are good for you and for the environment.